Yo, so about a week and a half to 2 weeks ago now, I was actually in the Bahamas, one of my favorite places in the whole entire world. And for a good reason, which you're about to witness, because I did make a brief little video of a day in the life kind of situation when I was with Sacha. And so I'm going to show you that. I didn't film a lot, but it kind of just gives you a little brief overview of what we did and what we got up to while we were there. So hopefully you can enjoy it. Good morning from the Bahamas. I'm here for a couple of days. I'm catching up with Sacha and Elena, and so I will give you updates, but I don't want to spend the whole day vlogging, so I'll just do it here and there whenever I can of what I remember to do, and hopefully give you a little overview into what Bahamas life is actually like. My favorite place in the entire world. This right here is so my happy place, it's not even funny. Mwah! So this morning I woke up and I came down to this beautiful beach right outside our house, and I did a little beach meditation. And then went for a little stroll. I'm going to continue that stroll, and then we go back up. We'll probably go get Sacha's mum, and they'll have some coffees, a cup of tea, and then we'll head out on the boat. So the house we're staying in could not be better situated. How beautiful is that? It's actually Sacha's Omar's house. Whew, it's hot now. Just gotta wait for Sacha to get up, and then we're gonna head over to our mum's place and pick up her mum.
You want sugar or anything?
Nah, I'm gonna try it black. How's this for service? In a bikini. Hi ho, hi ho. It's off to the boat we go. Bye, kitties.
I think cool.
Get in, guys. We're going boating. So this is how Elena, which is Sacha's mum, would take these photos. We jump off the boat, and then I would just strike a yoga pose as I was on my way back up, and she would take the photos. She's an amazing photographer, and she's been doing it for years. She's probably one of the original underwater photographers, to be honest. Damn, Daniel. Back at it again with the blue water. Woo! How crazy is this? Bloody river, mate. Not angry about this situation. So these photos are half-half ones, where half of the camera is, or the lens, is above the water and half of the lens is below the water. That's how you get that effect. Although some of the other photos that we had, we were sunken deep on the ocean floor, and a lot of people were asking, how the hell did you stay down there? And the way to get down there is literally just to exhale all the air in your lungs, and then you'll sink. And fun fact, you're also negatively buoyant at 10 meters. So if you go 10 meters down, you'll actually naturally just start to sink, which is pretty cool. Spent the morning in actual paradise. And I found 2 mermaids! And same with the stingray photos. So Elena took those as well. She has flashes as well. It's not just an underwater iPhone or GoPro. She has the full kit and caboodle because she's a professional, very, very professional. And yeah, we went to the stingray place where the stingrays are, and we don't touch them. We don't try to feed them or anything. We literally just allow them to be, and we can coexist and cohabitate the same place, and they respect that as we respect them. Found myself a little friend. Hey, kitty.
So we just had lunch. Sacha made it. It was really yummy. It was like baked potato cakes well, actually dry fried potato cakes with avocado salsa and salad and baked beans, and it was really, really yummy. And now I'm just going to go back to the other house. We're going to have a nap. Well, I keep forgetting to tell you guys what we're up to, but at the moment, came back after lunch, had a nap, and edited some photos, and then went back down to the beach. I'm all sweaty now because I just did a little yoga flow. Woo-hoo. And then now we're going to get ready. I need to have another shower, and we're going back up to Sacha's parents' place. We're staying in her Oma's house at the moment. And we're catching up with some of her friends for dinner. So we were going to go back out tonight to shoot, but we're going to just go double tomorrow instead. So that's it.
I have moisturizer in my bathroom.
We're going for roasted veggies.
Roasted veggies, pasta, and salad.
Pasta and salada.
It's a lot.
Damn. All right, Sashwa, tell us what you're doing.
We are baking some sweet potatoes.
And so this is your big seasoning bowl?
Oh yes, this is my gargantua seasoning bowl, so nothing falls out. We like to keep everything inside the area.
I like it. Keep it reserved, keep it contained.
Oh yeah.
Here I am just dipping raw cauliflower in homemade hummus. I can't scoop it. I need two hands. Thank you. Now what are you doing, Sash?
I am air frying the sweet potatoes.
Yeah, this is something we don't have in Australia, or at least I've never seen. Apparently it just like deep fries it with air. What? Magic!
There we go.
So Sacha left to go and pick up Rachel, one of our neighbours, and she told me to watch the stove. So I'm gonna watch it. I'm doing good, Sacha. I'm doing good. Shall we, Charlie? Yep. Looks good, doesn't it, Tallulah? Doesn't it? Whoa. Veggies, gluten-free pasta, regular pasta, more veggies, salad, chips. What's that? Hummus?
Hummus. Yes.
And hungry bellies. I don't know what you guys do with your friends. We tie each other's toes together. Alrighty, another day done and dusted. So I just had a shower, getting ready for bed, and that is my day in the Bahamas. This is so big. Alright, well, I didn't wrap it up yesterday, but that's our little somewhat of a day in a life. Yeah. In the Bahamas with my salty sister, my salty soul sister. And she got it. Bye. Yep, that's it. That's our day in the life in the Bahamas. I hadn't been back in probably like 4 years to go and see Sacha and her family. And so it was really, really lovely to be able to see them all. Her and her younger brother have grown up so much since I last saw them. Like her younger brother, William or Wimmy, was like a boy. And when I re-met him after 4 years, I literally was like, is this your boyfriend, to Sacha? And she was like, that's Wimmy. And I was like, what? Had like a beard. It was so weird. Oh, how time flies. So now you can understand why the Bahamas is one of my favorite places in the whole wide world. And obviously I'm gonna have to go back a lot more because 1, I love it to bits. 2, it just feels like a second home. 3, I miss Sacha and Elena and her family so much, and it's so good to see them. And 4, why not? Yep, that's it. Bye guys.